Hey everyone, it's your boy Name, here with a truly pressing question. What's up with Matuke's war mode? Matuke, the guy whose job is all about national safety and security, seems to be stoking fires left and right, and honestly, it's got people wondering why. First off, Side Matuke, you need to slow down. Take a breath and really understand the situation before you act. This whole loyalty card thing? Yeah, we get it, even within your own party. President Mnangagwa himself has spelled it out clearly. There's a huge difference between managing party security and actual statecraft. Don't get all riled up by provincial crowds. You need to be a builder, a nation builder. Remember, everyone must feel safe under your leadership in state security. You're not just another mahobo, you're the political head of this critical organ. Give your bureaucracy the professional space they need to do their jobs. Otherwise, you might end up like your predecessor Mudha. Remember him? He had newspapers delivered all the way from Harare to Kwekwe every morning instead of just buying them locally. Misplaced priorities, right? So Matuke, take this as a wake-up call. Focus on nation building and making sure everyone feels secure. That's your real job. All right, folks, that's it for now. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.